Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to talk about what is assembly language. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is assembly language? Assembly language is a low-level programming language which is intended to communicate directly with the computer's hardware. The lower-level programming languages like assembly language acts as a necessary bridge between the underlying hardware of a computer and the higher-level programming languages such as Python or JavaScript. Additionally, assembly language is architecture specific, which means that each assembly language is specific to a particular computer's architecture. Unlike machine language, which consists of binary and hexadecimal characters, assembly languages are designed to be readable by humans and helps in providing full control of what tasks a computer is performing. This was all in the introduction to assembly language. Thanks for watching.